In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a hexagon in Figma. First, open your design so you are working on the correct file or frame. Give yourself a bit of space on the canvas so you can clearly see what you are drawing. This helps you keep the shape tidy and easy to adjust. Now, look at the top toolbar for the shape tools. Click the small drop-down arrow next to the rectangle icon to reveal more options. And select the polygon tool. Choosing it from the drop-down ensures you are not accidentally using a rectangle or ellipse. You'll know it's active when your cursor switches to the polygon crosshair. On the canvas, click and drag to draw. By default, the polygon starts as a triangle, which is totally expected. While you are dragging, hold the Shift key. This keeps the shape balanced as you size it, making it easier to get a clean result. Release your mouse when the triangle looks comfortably sized for your layout. You can always refine it in a moment. With the shape still selected, turn your attention to the right side of the screen. In the Design panel, find the polygon options under Appearance. You'll see a count control set to 3. Change that number from 3 to 6. Instantly, your triangle becomes a hexagon. This is the most precise way to get the exact number of sides you need, and it keeps your geometry consistent. From here, you can adjust the size. On the shape itself, here is a circular handle on the side of the polygon that can change the number of sides. Be careful with this if you drag it. The side count might shift. If that happens, simply make sure the count is set back to 6 in the Design panel. To scale the hexagon without altering the sides, use the regular resize handles on the bounding box and keep an eye on the side count to confirm it remains at 6. This gives you full control over the dimensions without losing the 6-sided structure. That's it. Thanks for watching.